Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the new Toro 60V lithium-ion platform. Starting with the 60V trimmer, this gives exceptional performance, really gas-like performance. It'll run the larger diameter 95 thousandths line found on straight shaft gas trimmers with a tap for feed head for convenient operation. Very light and exceptional power. So along with this, you can interchange the batteries with all the 60V products. They also developed a hand blower. This blower has just amazing performance. This is, outperforms really any gas hand blower on the market. Similar performance to some of your smaller backpacks at 105 miles per hour and over 600 CFM of volume. So acceptable performance and yet very light and great run times. So along with the new 60V platform is the new Mower, which makes this very unique. This is basically the gas Toro recycler mower they've had for years. Excellent mower with a personal pace self-propel system. You can bag or mulch, but what's nice, you're not getting less product by going to electric. It's the same performance of the gas and the 60V platform. With the standard battery, you can mow up to 1/3 of an acre on a single charge, and with the optional batteries, you get up to 25% longer run time. What's really great with this, there's going to be a snowblower coming out this fall. So you can, once you have the mower, you can interchange the batteries with the snowblower. So use your battery source year-round. And the snowblower for some of those smaller drives is a great way to go with lithium-powered snowblower. So that really rounds out the new Toro 60V lithium-ion platform products.
Weingartz, everything.